Well, welcome back everyone. Today is a very special video because I'm actually going to look at some custom trucks that some friends of mine have sent me in. 4 different people have sent me some stuff and I'll look at every single one of them individually. We're going to start here actually with one that I received a long time ago and I want to give it its time because I never got around to doing it. And that is the OCD Machine by Hot Wheels Addict on Instagram. I will tag his little Instagram tag somewhere on here so you guys can follow him. He sent me this a while ago. I think it was before my Anaheim show. My first one or second one, so I wanted to give him a shout out in one of my videos. I just haven't had time, so this is a great little segue into that. So he sent me this OCD Machine, a little custom truck for my channel, and I really liked it. It's a really cool little custom concept, very basic, but I do think it's a pretty cool piece to have on my shelf. So you can see here, this is one of his first customs for someone in the public, so it's pretty awesome, and this is a very cool gift, so thank you so much. I appreciate all the fan gifts like this with the OCD stuff on it. So he's got number 1 on the hood, OCD on the roof, and of course OCD Machine on the side with some blue and black. And you got BKTs on there as well, blue rims, and some gold headers with a chromed out motor. Hard to see the motor, but it does have chrome on the top here, and then of course in the back it does have some detailing in there as well. So that's the OCD Machine. It does say my name on the back as well, Ryan, and it's an awesome piece. So thank you so much, Hot Wheels Addicts, because this is a great piece and I really enjoy it. So that's the first one on my list, the OCD Machine. And next up is the second thing I got in the mail, which is the Digger's Diecast assortment of some trucks that he's made for Spin Master Monster Jam. I know he's kind of doing only Spin Master now, so this is pretty cool to see some of his first Spin Master works. So it's pretty cool to see his new stuff come to life and of course have a few of them. So this is the Rottweiler. He did pretty much just add some detail on the tires and rims, so he added the BKTs. He painted those in. That's actually really good, really clean job. Sometimes they do get a little messy, but he did a great job on this Rottweiler. So very cool. I have not seen such clean BKTs done before, so awesome job. And also he painted the beadlock black, and of course the inner parts of the rim have some detail in black as well. So that's the Rottweiler. He knows that this is one of my favorite castings, so that's probably why he sent me this one, and I really like it. He also did a really good mud one of the Rottweiler as well. So that's the Rottweiler, and then he also sent me probably one of my favorite customs of all time, the Son of a Digger Spin Master Mudstum. So a Mudstum basically just meaning a custom mud truck. So he took a body and an entire frame and chassis, tires, everything, and he made it pretty much exactly how it would look after a mud fest. So here's up close of the mud. You can see all the detail he put in there. Just definitely a super cool piece to have, and you can see all the mud detail of it pouring out of the window and the side panel. Kind of trying to focus it, but it won't stay. There we go. That's better. So you can see all the detail he put into it, and on the top there as well, in the back. And of course the hood, the windshield, all that. He also painted in the grill completely blue, like the real truck, and then he painted on the silver again, and then he put the mud over that. So I really appreciate the detail he went into with the blue grill. And of course the headers, everything there. Great detailing. BKTs are painted in as well with a blue beadlock. Love that shiny blue beadlock as well. And you got some detail inside the rim. And that's pretty much it. So that's the Son of a Digger with the mud by Digger's Diecast. So if you guys ever want anything done by Digger's Diecast, just send him a DM. He's definitely a friendly guy. He will help you out, and he does great work. So this goes on top of my shelf for sure. This is my one of my top customs of all time. I love this thing. And next up we have a CN Customs box. So Corey New, here's his contact info, so I don't have to tag it, but you guys can see it here. This is Corey New's contact info if you guys ever want to get customs done that you guys will see in this part of the video. So he sent me this list of stuff. This is case A of 2019 CN Customs. So there's 7 trucks in this case. It includes Monster Energy Ice, Big Kahuna, NWO, Bigfoot, the Hooked, Monster Energy, and World Finals 20. So we're going to take a look at all that stuff right now. So the first truck up on the list is the Monster Energy Ice. This is an amazing looking custom. I know PDPAB also has done some of these style customs with the Monster Energy trucks. So we have a Fire and Ice chassis, the Ice chassis here with the blue tires, and the Monster Energy decals redone in blue. And of course you got all the detail of the original truck just in the other color. And you got the roof here. He got the grill printed in there with the actual Monster Energy logo in blue. That's pretty cool. And here's the other side. And there's a tailgate. So this is one of my first Monster Energy customs for Spin Master. I love this thing. And also I do have a normal one from this pack as well. And I'll show you guys in just a minute. And next up is a very interesting concept. It is the Bigfoot on the Yeti body. And I never actually thought of doing this before, so that's pretty cool. He actually went above and beyond just standard pickup trucks and actually went ahead and made a Bigfoot style Yeti casting. So you can see here there's a lot of detail in the hair, a lot of brown tones, and you can see the face is done over on the Yeti. It's been repainted into a kind of a Bigfoot style here. It has no windshield because the windshield was blue originally, so it wouldn't look good. So I get that. So that's why that's missing there. You can see the teeth as well. And here's the other side, the Beware of Bigfoot in area with the Monster Jam logo. I love how he redid this part. I really do. Very cool. And you got the BKTs, of course, painted in with the headers detailed and some shock detailing and little bolts and stuff. So very awesome, very cool concept. Definitely above standard pickup trucks and stuff. So I love and applaud the creativity with this one. So that's the Bigfoot. And my personal favorite of this entire pack, the 2019 Big Kahuna. I was in love with this thing ever since he made it, and I'm very happy to own one. So basically what he did was he modified the Gravedigger body, he cut off the fenders and the headlights, and he made it into a Big Kahuna. So this is exactly pretty much what the truck looks like anyway, so I'm very happy with how it turned out. I do have the official Big Kahuna from 2018 by Spin Master, and you can see there's a comparison between the two. I really hope the team does this one. I'm going to take this with me as well and show them. Hopefully I can convince them to do it. I really do like this one though, and I like this one too. This is probably my top truck of the year, so we'll see after the Nomad Avenger comes out which one is on top, but I love this thing. Really good detail on that one, and of course he did a great job on this one. So here's the detail. The rust, of course, is there. The tiki, you get the Shaka symbol right there. The skeleton hand, got the Big Kahuna logo. I actually just saw this truck at the Vegas show, and it looked amazing, so I'm very happy with it in real life as well. And you got the Big Kahuna logo, the tiki again. A nice chrome frame, so we got the roll cage done in chrome. Detail, of course, the gold shocks and everything. Gold bead locks, just like the real truck. And I could not be happier with this truck. And we also have a Hooked in the set. So Hooked has been a very popular truck. A lot of people have wanted to see it for a while, and he actually went ahead and made it. So you can see it's got the chrome headers again, got the BKTs, and of course just a standard Hooked body on a pickup truck Spin Master edition. So very cool. I love Hooked, and I hope they do commission this for a real design in the future. He does have his CN Customs logo on the back as well. So that's Hooked. And an interesting throwback, I would consider this one a Retro Rebels. The NWO with chrome rims, BKTs, and of course the headers again. Pretty much just the NWO logo on this, besides the CN Customs logo. So I like that he brought back the NWO. I love this truck, and I actually made a custom of it back in Hot Wheels Monster Jam days. So it's very cool to see it on a Spin Master chassis now. And here it is, the NWO. And one that everyone wants to see done by Spin Master, but unfortunately due to marketing it cannot be done. The Monster Energy Custom. I'm very happy to actually own one of these because I do like the Monster Energy truck. I think it looks amazing on the Spin Master one as well. So there is the Spin Master casting with the Monster Energy style truck. You can see it's got a chrome style kind of to the logo. I'm not sure how he did that, but that's pretty cool. And there's the other part here, the front grille. Of course, it's all wrapped in, so that's pretty cool. And there's the hood. And here's the other side. So this is a great custom as well. Probably one of the top ones of this pack. And it does have the Gravedigger beadlocks and rims. So you get the green, fully green, just like the real truck. And of course the details that he does on the other customs on here. So that's the Monster Energy Custom. I love this thing. And the last one of the Corey New Case A 2019 Customs pack is the World Finals 20 commemorative truck. I am not sure if Spin Master plans to make one of these or any style of 20 truck, but we'll see, I guess, in the future in Orlando in just a month or so. So, I mean, this is a great representation of what it would look like, I'm sure, if they do one. But I'm very happy to at least own this if they never do make a commemorative truck. But here it is, the World Finals 20 design, the, of course, sunset design that we saw at the announcement ceremony of the announcement of Orlando picking up the World Finals. So you can see here, it's got all the sunset tones and stuff, the World Finals 20 logo, palm trees, the alligator on the side, and here's the back with the Feld logo, the Camping World Stadium logo. He actually told me that's what that is, so you can't really see it, but that's the Camping World Stadium logo, and the Monster Jam World Finals 20 logo again on that side. And you got the black beadlock with gray rims, BKTs, and of course the headers again. So I love this one. I really hope that Spin Master does consider making one, and hopefully they're watching this and see this for the future. But that is the World Finals 20 commemorative truck by CN Customs. And the last truck I have for you guys is actually by Tom Pearson. I want to shout out Tom for all he's done. And this is the Maximum Overdrive Custom. Probably one of my favorite customs I own currently out of everything, even Hot Wheels Monster Jam. I love this thing. And the concept is amazing because it is supposed to be the corporate Spin Master truck. Just like the Hot Wheels Team Hot Wheels Firestorm had. This is supposed to be their kind of corporate truck. So you can see here it does have the Escalade grille. It has a Spin Master logo on the hood with some I think those are bullet holes. They would probably remove those for the real truck if they ever did this in real life, but you can see there's some bullet holes. You got some random designs and stuff. I love the coloring of the design as well. And you can see there's the roof. Kind of hard to focus, it won't focus on there. There we go. You can see the roof there. Very beautiful clear coat. I just want to point that out. Look how nice that clear coat is. Really, really shiny and glossy. But you got all this detail with the blue and the black, bullet holes there, the maximum overdrive, and here's the side panel. Just an awesome truck. Great concept. I really do like this one. And there's the tailgate with the Machine logo. Some more bullet holes there. And I love how the wrap matches right down, and of course down the hood as well. And there's the grill again. And here's the other side. I think it's an amazing custom concept, and I really like this thing. And that will complete the custom set that I received from several different people. Thank you, Corey, Bob, Hot Wheels Addict, and of course Tom for all these trucks. I cannot wait to show the marketing and design teams at Spin Master, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. Let me know what you guys think about these customs in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. This is Ryan or Monster Jam OCD, signing out.